Ngimelana Abshini, hi, welcome to Tumisi itiye elishisa phela funa ukuthi ungaliphuzi ujahile kodwa uhlale phansi ukuze uzokwazi ukuli-enjoya. Njengoba usizini 9 usuphelile, the production team asked Umseleku and his wives ukuthi njengoba sivala, how are you guys, where are you at? And Umseleku noMaqele were like sisathandana, uthando lusavutha, uthando lusashisa. Wathi Umseleku kufana ngathi nje sisaqala ukuthandana, ungikhumbuza lesa sikhathi ngimshela sisathandana siku-honeymoon phase. Wathi ngesinye isikhathi siye sikhohle ukuthi isithembu sikhona, and uMaqele was like sikhona kodwa sona lesithembu, and Umseleku was hayi phela mina nginaso isithembu kodwa uMaqele wathi the way angithanda ngakhona ngeke ngikhohle ukuthi khona bangilandelayo, khona engishare nabo. That's how in love, that's how nice it is when you are able to forget and live in your own bubble of love. That's how amazing izinto zikaMaqele noMseleku they are. Baqeda babuza ibhenqe, babuza i2K nomkhulu ukuthi kwenzakalani Makhwela nawe Mseleku. Wathi Umseleku mina noMakhwela sisathandana, uphana umoya la bevetshe ukuthi kuphelile ngami noMakhwela esiyathandana, and one thing nazi ukuthi it won't end in tears, it will end in early leaves, it will end in a ring, it will end kunenkomo nje kukikiza omama. Wazi ukuthi yabona manje Umseleku noMakhwela bafikile kuleso sigaba bebafuna ukuyibona bakuso. Babuza uMangwabe bathi Mangwabe kunjani? Wathi uMangwabe uyayifanela sisayinqenga. Wathi Umseleku as long as asakwazi ukungenzela itiye ngiyabonga, kusho khona ukuthi usahlaleka. I mean as we know, wathi ngibonga ukuthi uMangwabe azange wangishiya. I mean siyazi ukuthi vele bekangeke amshiye ngoba nje wayequlela uMangwabe usazoqula futhi naku-season 10 kuyoze kuse. Yamnandi ngoma yakaMangwabe ithi I am living but uhleli akanyakazi uMangwabe kodwa uthi I am living ngikhathele kuyashisa kunjani. Kodwa siyazi ukuthi even season 10 we must expect uMangwabe ukuthi uzohamba uMangwabe. Unfortunately bihamba kahle itrain, kukhuluma positive vibes. Kwafika imbokodo babuza bathi Makhumalo nikuphi? Mara uyabona ukuthi the body language, the tears, even Umseleku is confused ukuthi ukhalelani kodwa sisi ukhalelani ngoba wewe qalile le ndaba. Mina I'm following the lead when I uthe yeka uMakhwela ngathi mina never. Wathi wena okay ngizokubonisa, ngathi nami uzobona manje nawe sekahleli lapha uyakhala uMakhumalo. It's like Makhumalo is sobbing so sad. Umseleku bayambuza bathi mara umbona kanjani uMakhumalo, how do you feel? Mobona uMakhumalo enjena wambheka and he was shocked. Ungathi umntwana ofunda crash ungakwazi ukufunda ama-emotion, and he's like hayi angiboni into wrong, uma uyiqala wayisusa uzoyimbela. Wathi Umseleku mina angidingi ukuthi uMakhumalo accept uSamte, into engiyidinga nje ukuthi anganqintshi imfanelo zami njengendoda aboshilayilayi yeyi ukumashkarayina. Makhumalo is like as long as kunoSamke ngizomnqintsha angeke ayibone. Wathi le ngeke ungibone, le ngeke uyithole. Mababuza uMayeni wathi same kuyayifanela nje mina noMseleku nihlale nazi ukuthi wehlezi nje uthando layithulu nje ningaliqondi eyakudinga ukuthi niliqonde. Wathi yeyi we'll always have different opinions, so hlezi si-arguisha but into ekumele nazi ukuthi angiyindawo. And that's how we wrap season 9 uthando noSithembu. Please don't forget to subscribe on YouTube, follow on Facebook and TikTok, and make sure ukuthi niya like abafethu ukuze ngikwazi ukuba-monetize, ngizokwazi ukuthi ngithenge ngisho ne-weave nje le chiphile le yasi-Dragon City, ikwazi nje nami ukufaka ukuthenga u-makeup, ngikwazi ukuthenga nje yazi phela ukuthi nje ningizameni bafethu because I need the morning. See you next time. Bye, Yola.